Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP function. So first of all, download this Excel file sample bank data link given in the description box and open it. And we will have two sheets, transactions and customers. And in transactions we have column like transaction ID, customer ID, transaction date and transaction amount. And in customer sheets we have customer ID, customer name and account balance. Suppose we want to know the customer name in front of the customer ID in column E. How will we do this? So for this purpose, we will use VLOOKUP function. So here we can see that customer ID is common in transaction sheet and customer sheet. So we will use VLOOKUP function to know the customer name based on customer ID from both sheets. So first of all, we will press uh, VLOOKUP and we will select this B2 shell. And first of all, we will select a lookup value. Our lookup value is in the cell B2 and our second argument is table array. So this function will look up this customer ID from this reference table. So we will select this table and just we will log this table array. And in the third argument, we want the column index number. So we want to know the customer name and the customer name is in the second number. Customer ID is in first number and customer name is in second number. So we will press 2 here and we want the exact match. So we will press 0 here and just we will press enter. And we will just double click here and here we can see that our customer name is in front of the customer ID. Now let's verify this formula. So here we can see that our customer ID 502 uh, and the name for this customer is Bob Smith, and we can look for the customer ID 502, customer name is Bob Smith. So our formula is correct. Now let's have a look at a better version for VLOOKUP, which is XLOOKUP. So first of all, we will write XLOOKUP and our lookup value is B2 cell, which is our customer ID column. And in the second argument, we will find the lookup array. So this function will look up this customer ID value from this lookup array in the customer sheet. And in the third argument, we want the customer name. So we will just select the column B and we will just press enter. And here we can see that uh, we have the customer name and we can see that both the columns are same, so our formula is also correct. And suppose we want transaction account balance. So for this we will look up our lookup value is B2 and just we and our lookup array is again customer ID and this time we want the account balance, so we will just select column C and we will press enter here and just double click and we can see that we have a account balance for our based on the customer ID. Just verified this for customer ID 501, the account balance is 1050 and 0.5, and here we can see that for the customer ID 501, the account balance is 1050.5. So I hope you have understand both these functions very well. Thank you.